Yo, first order of the day, Chick-fil-A. This one's like $7 going 4 miles. It's not amazing, and I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be ready, but we're here, so let's go head inside. Thank you. All right, that wasn't too bad. Now let's go drop this off. Should be an easy drop off as well. Next order up, we've got a 7-Eleven. This one's gonna be $7 going less than 2 miles. Only issue here is I am in the turning lane going in the wrong direction, so I gotta turn around here somewhere. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well. Next order up is going to be for Starbucks. This one is $7 going 2.5 miles. Next order up is for 7-Eleven. This one's gonna be $7.25 going 2.5 miles.
Oh yeah, I'm just now getting that together soon. All right, that's got his stuff on it.
Thank you.
Thank you, honey.
Next up, we've got an IHOP. This one is $9 going 5 miles.
Too much stuff in one bag.
All good, better for me. Thank you. You too.
Only on the Jubal Show. If you're just joining us.
Hello. There you are.
All right, thank you.
You have a good one. Next order just came in. This one's gonna be for Chick-fil-A. $9 going 2 miles. Well, that wait was a little excessive. Oh, and of course it's a meat at door. A little cherry on top for me. Hello.
Thank you much. Have a good day.
You as well. Next order just came in. This one is going to be for Taco Bell. $8 and some change going just under 5 miles. Thank you. Next order up is going to be for Jack in the Box. This one's going to be $7 and some change going less than 3 miles. Hello. Next order up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. Crumble cookie and Jamba Juice, $13.25 going just under 5 miles. Both of these restaurants are on the slow end, so hopefully it's not too much of a wait. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
I'll take all of them.
All right, one down, one to go. Thank you. All right, we got lucky on both. Next order up, we've got another Chick-fil-A. This one is $7 and some change, going 2.5 miles.
Have
a great day.
You as well. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Next up, we've got a stacked 7-Eleven, $14 going just under 2 miles.
And then Stella.
Thank you. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This one is $12 going 4 miles, only one item.
Thanks for Bogle again. He was out with me yesterday.
Thank you.
Chris, you need to get a
And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Have a good one. All right, I think I'm gonna be calling it here. Current time is 12:02. Current total is like 85, but I'm still waiting on like 4 Uber tips. So I have no idea what it's gonna be. Hopefully close to 100. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.